Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to open a PDF file in Microsoft Word the right way. So whether you want to edit a resume, extract text, or update a contract, this method will save you a lot of time. So first, let's talk about what actually happens when you open a PDF in Word. Word will try to convert the PDF into an editable document, but it might not look exactly the same. That is because PDF are like snapshots and Words has to rebuild the layout. So for example, I have this document here that I want to open in Word, and it has some images in it, and when you look at it, it has the cover page that contains the students' details and the topic, and then we have the table of the content, and we have the abstract. So when we go ahead and open up this document, it will distort this arrangement or the layout of this paper because it appears as a snapshot, and I will show you two ways on how you can open your PDF document into Word. The first thing you can do is go back to where it is, right click on it. Once you right click, it will give you these options. Then it says open with. Then you can go and select the Word document, click on it. Then it will immediately redirect you to this section where it says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document, and this may take a while. So the resulting document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained a lot of graphics. So you can go ahead and click OK. Then immediately your PDF document will be converted to Word document, and it looks like this. Looking at this one, it looks different because this table of content was on its own page, but when we converted it into Word document, you see the layout has been distorted. So you can go ahead and edit your document and make sure that you get it into the way you want it to look like. So you can come here, then go ahead and insert page breaks right there. Then we can also go here and insert a page break like that to make sure everything is on its own page as it was before in our PDF document. That's the first way you can do it. The second way, let me do away with this. The second way is when you open up your Word document like this, you go back to File. Once you click on File, go to Open. Once you click on Open, you can go to this PC, then look for the document that you want to open, or let's say, for example, go to Browser. Then once we're on Browser, you go to the desktop, then we find the document that we want to open, click on it, then click Open. Then it will immediately also take you to this section, then click OK. Once you click OK, your document will still open into a Word document, and that is the second way how you can do it, how you can open your document into Microsoft Word. And that is it. That's how you can open a PDF in Microsoft Word the right way. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple tech tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.